Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video, when people messed with the wrong cops, brings shocking dashcam moments where split-second choices lead to instant consequences. Buckle up for real-life karma caught on camera. Watch closely and stay safe. Let's begin. The vehicle was stopped for a minor turn signal violation that seemed insignificant at first. However, when the male passenger Barreless failed to provide identification and was ordered to step out of the car, he suddenly resisted and ran. Not only that, he showed signs of pulling a gun from his waistband, forcing two officers to open fire to protect their lives. A situation that seemed harmless escalated into something serious in just a second.
I threw it.
Police approached the driver, who caused a multi-vehicle crash. After the collision, he exited his vehicle but refused to obey commands and aggressively advanced toward the officers. The tension escalated further when police saw that he was armed. Reckless behavior, disobedience, and endangering the public are never a way to escape the law, only a way to make the consequences far worse.
Get your hands up right now! Get your hands up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get away from that motherfucking gun! Get on the ground now!
Get that nigga.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Oh, you ready for this? You ready for this?
Get on the ground!
Ready for this? Ready for this, huh? Ready for this, huh?
Get on the ground!
Ready for this?
Shots fired. 245 shots fired.
Here, let's go. Come with me, come with me.
When California Highway Patrol officers approached a disabled vehicle in Crescent City, they discovered a man walking in the roadway with a knife nearby. Despite being ordered to stay away from the knife, he continued to argue. Moments later, he suddenly grabbed the knife and charged at the officers. That dangerous choice forced police to open fire, ending what could have been a peaceful resolution.
We still talking, y'all worry about the knife. Like, y'all got guns, tasers, every fuck. That's what I'm saying, baby. That's what I'm saying, the control. That's what I was doing. I came clean. Right?
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
From a simple lane violation, Washington State Police were drawn into a high-speed chase beyond all expectations. The situation escalated when the suspect's brother suddenly appeared using his vehicle to block police and help his brother escape. Never challenge the law. Every reckless action comes with a price.
Your right tire's flat. This car is falling apart from the rear bumper. Exiting, I know that he has a clear. He's losing control. We're on the off ramp. He's lost control, faced the wrong way. And man.
The vehicle is off control, exiting to high point from Highlands. Subject matter to child in vehicle specific.
Easy. Spinning out. Now chasing our roads. Ready. Go.
Starting on the vehicle stop. The family stop.
Have the driver to oil pad. Looks like passenger open as well. Hands up.
Starting on the driver to open hands are up.
Which side have
Which one?
I think the passenger has to either go back to the driver. taking both into custody now.
A minor traffic accident led to a horrifying shootout in Milwaukee. An off-duty police officer was involved in a small collision on the way to work. When both drivers stepped out to inspect the damage, the suspect suddenly pulled a gun and attacked the officer. The officer immediately returned fire. Choosing to confront police with a weapon only brings your ending closer. A tense pursuit unfolded when the suspect recklessly drove straight at a sheriff who was deploying spike strips, making the situation even more serious. That action would soon bring deep regret, as it added much heavier charges to his crimes. Police located a vehicle linked to multiple thefts. As soon as the suspects spotted the officers, they fled, triggering a pursuit. But running from the law never ends well. They were captured shortly afterward.
Hands up! Get window down! Roll it down! Put your hands in the air! Roll that back window down right now! Roll it! Hey, DJ! Hit him! Hands up! Don't play around up here when it comes to running, man, okay?
Police responded to a call reporting a burglary suspect. The man was illegally walking on the highway. Officers approached immediately, but the situation became tense when he was found holding a weapon, forcing police to use force. Resisting arrest while carrying a dangerous weapon will always push matters beyond what the law will tolerate.
Hey, come here, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Officers located a suspect wanted on multiple charges. Instead of cooperating, he attempted to draw a gun and moved towards civilians to threaten them. But police were faster and immediately opened fire to stop him. The law shows no mercy to recklessness.
Yo. Yeah, I'm pretty near, alright?
What began as a simple traffic accident quickly escalated when the driver refused to cooperate. A tense chase followed at the Nova and Beeville intersection. Becht became trapped, and an off-duty officer stepped in, personally approaching and pulling the suspect out of the vehicle. The law always arrives at the right moment.
I got you. Go down. Leave your shoes. Go down. Coming up on your rear, Sheriff. Get on the ground. Do it now. Right there.
there, right there. Okay. You're gonna kill 15 people within the next couple of and have a ride home.
The law does not spare those who lead themselves into wrongdoing. She will likely regret that decision very soon. Attacking someone right in front of police never ends well. An aggressive driver approached another person in the street while holding a fake gun, but right behind him was a police vehicle witnessing everything. When he tried to turn back, it was already too late. Causing chaos while carrying any kind of weapon is an incredibly foolish act.
Police department.
Even if it's just a fake gun, never joke around with police like this guy did. The consequences will come immediately.
Dude, put it down. 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 You're gonna get shot. Put it down. Go. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Your hands up. Hands up. Unit 10 through the air. Shots fired. Shots fired. Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach.
Resisting the law leads to only one ending. That wraps up when people messed with the wrong cops. What moment shocked you the most? Do you think these outcomes were justified? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life dashcam stories.